Yeah, somebody just moved the installation to run this Romex. Yeah, see all this Romex cable? And I guess, you know, they moved it to, you know, to fish it through. Because this is all wiring, like for your whole house, running through the attic.
Okay.
It's really heavy duty cable. But it doesn't really have any, there's really no, I mean, it's just kind of randomly going everywhere, all this cable, all this wire. It's all heavy duty schedule. I just see the droppings everywhere. So I just I'll go real quick and go take a look over there to see if there's anything considerable, but it seems to be really considerable here. Oh, here's another one. You caught another one with a do-it-yourself. You did another do-it-yourself success.